Is the light.
What's this sound? Like some humans breathing. Huh? Do you hear? Huh? From where?
Here.
It's spooky.
Yeah.
You hear, right?
Yeah.
Is it air?
I
Or?
think it's waves. Yeah.
Oh, it's spooky.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's spooky.
It is really.
Oh my god, I thought like someone is here, you know. Yeah, it's spooky. Oh my god.
Oh.
You see?
But there is nothing else. There's no hole, so I can't see.
Ghost. Spooky. Hello. Oh my god, it's so spooky.
Yeah.
Right?
It is really. I think that's the only thing I can imagine.
Oh my god, what's that? Oh my god. What? We should get away from here, huh?
It sounds so real, like someone is breathing.
Yeah.
Or something. Yo.
You will get haunted. Huh? Huh? I can't anymore. Oh my-
Feel it?
No! I'm too afraid, I don't know.
Here.
Hello, もう一回撮って。Feel? Anything? Oh my god, you're crazy, I can't do that. Becky, don't do that. Can you feel? Don't do that. Again. You don't feel anything. Yeah.
No, nothing feeling.
Hey, that's also weird. And then Kuro, it's doing that.
Hey, I wonder what he will do.
Kuro. Do here?
Oh my god, his whole head is inside.
It's
He's really.
Kuro. Wait. Is he okay?
He is, I think, but his whole head is inside, like, searching. He's so fascinated now, too. Look.
Kuro. Is he okay? He's not afraid of anything.
He gets so fascinated.
Crow. What is he touching?
The stones, basically.
Kuro, what's there? Kuro. He's a detective cat. Does he solve the mystery?
Maybe.
Kuro, can you hold it, please? Kuro. He's investigating something.